Spring has sprung, but the pandemic is still in play.
And as newer variants arise and the weather changes again, a pediatric infectious disease doctor tells us what to look out for. It's now the third spring since the start of the pandemic, and Lucas County is currently at low risk for COVID. Yet more people getting out again and emerging variants can raise concerns. However, for Dr. Deepa Mukundan, she is confident with where we are.
The reason for that is we have several tools. We have understood the virus a little better than what we knew 2 years ago. And we have also evolved in treatments as well as prevention.
And these new tools have helped us create deeper technology and science at facilities to help understand how to combat the diseases.
Progressively with time and full understanding of how the disease has progressed, we have knowledge about who can get the disease and who can get really severe disease.
And to continue to understand and protect ourselves against COVID this year, Dr. Mukundan says we should be aware of our own risk factors, research virus levels within the community, update ourselves on current interventions available, as well as get immunized. And if you have been exposed, continue to follow safe protocols such as distancing, wearing a mask, and getting tested. Also for Dr. Mukundan, she prepares for COVID risk levels as if it were a forecast.
Each day is like the weather. I will look at what is the risk in the community and what is it that I'm going to be doing, and am I putting myself at risk or not. And as you get used to doing that, it's easy enough to live your life without worrying too much about it.
Like many of us, she is hoping to have an enjoyable spring and summer.
So I am very hopeful, unlike in the spring of 2020 when the learning curve was steep and we did not know much about this virus.
Trent, lots of people may want to get out and travel this year. What advice did the pediatrician give to parents who may want to pack up and take their kids to Disney World?
Well, she did say to prepare by researching the areas you are going to with their community virus levels. And also, if you are immunized and you have little to zero risk factors, that there shouldn't be too big of a concern.
We're also hearing reports of newer variants in other countries. How concerned did she say the U.S. has to be about those?
And while they are concerning, she said with the understanding of one strain of the virus, we have deeper technology to combat the newer strains quicker, so she is more hopeful this time around and confident. And for COVID information within the community, don't forget you can check the Lucas County Health Department's website. And for COVID information nationally, check the CDC's website. We have links to those on our website, ut10news.com.